Hey everyone! If you love adventures, vlogging, or capturing your best moments in stunning detail, this video is for you. Today, I'm counting down the top 10 best action cameras, from GoPro to DJI to Insta360, packed with insane stabilization, 4K plus video, and pro-level features. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive into the action. Number 1. GoPro HERO 13 Black. The GoPro HERO 13 Black sets a new benchmark for action cameras, featuring next-gen stabilization, 6K video, and incredible low-light performance. This camera is built for pros and enthusiasts alike. Its AI-driven scene detection automatically adjusts settings for the best shot, while waterproof durability makes it perfect for underwater adventures. The front-facing screen helps vloggers frame themselves perfectly. Whether you're skiing, surfing, or biking, the HERO 13 Black delivers cinematic results every time. GoPro's legendary reliability and cloud integration also make editing and sharing effortless. If you want a camera that's rugged, smart, and ultra-smooth, the HERO 13 Black is your go-to. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro blends portability and performance in one sleek design. With 5K HDR video, advanced image stabilization, and a dual touchscreen, it's perfect for creators who demand versatility. Its rock-steady 4.0 stabilization ensures smooth footage, even during extreme activities. The horizon lock feature keeps your shots level, while improved low-light capabilities make it ideal for night rides or underwater shots. Plus, it's waterproof up to 20 meters without a case. The voice control and instant replay features make it effortless to use on the go. DJI proves once again why it's one of the best in action videography. Number 3. Insta360 Ace Pro 2. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 delivers unmatched creative freedom with 8K video capture and AI-powered editing tools. Whether you're vlogging, biking, or hiking, its flow state stabilization ensures buttery smooth results. The dual lens design offers immersive wide-angle views, while the touchscreen interface makes framing a breeze. The AI Highlights Assistant automatically creates short, shareable clips from your footage. It's also waterproof and shock-resistant, perfect for rugged conditions. For tech lovers who crave cinematic storytelling, the Ace Pro 2 brings professional-grade performance in a compact, fun package. If you want stunning visuals with minimal editing effort, this camera is a total game-changer. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 remains a fan favorite thanks to its balanced mix of quality, durability, and user-friendliness. It captures crisp 4K HDR footage with accurate colors and strong dynamic range. Its 1/1.3-inch sensor performs exceptionally well in low light, while the rock-steady 3.0 plus stabilization ensures ultra-smooth clips. The dual color screens make vlogging and selfies effortless. It's waterproof, durable, and ready for any adventure. Perfect for both beginners and pros, this camera delivers excellent value for its price. Whether it's mountain biking or diving, the Osmo Action 4 consistently delivers cinematic performance. Number 5. Insta360 X5. The Insta360 X5 pushes 360-degree video to the next level with 8K resolution and AI-powered reframing. Perfect for creators who want every angle covered, it allows you to reframe shots in post. No more worrying about missing a moment. The flow state stabilization and improved dynamic range produce smooth, detailed footage. With improved night performance and longer battery life, it's built for adventure. Its waterproof design makes it great for diving, skiing, or hiking. Whether for vlogs or VR projects, the Insta360 X5 is a powerhouse that redefines immersive storytelling. Number 6. GoPro MAX 2. The GoPro MAX 2 is the ultimate 360-degree camera for creators who want it all: immersive footage, flexibility, and fun. It shoots stunning 6K spherical video with advanced horizon leveling and seamless stabilization. You can reframe your footage later, turning every shot into a perfect cinematic clip. The improved microphone setup captures immersive audio, while the rugged waterproof build ensures it's ready for any challenge. With GoPro's editing app, creating dynamic 360-degree videos or standard clips is easy. For vloggers, travelers, and athletes, the GoPro MAX 2 is your all-in-one storytelling machine. Number 7. AKASO Brave 8 Lite. The AKASO Brave Brave 8 Lite is the perfect budget-friendly action camera that doesn't compromise on performance. It records 4K video, offers solid image stabilization, and has a user-friendly touchscreen. With a waterproof case included, it's ready for swimming, cycling, or hiking. The wide-angle lens captures everything in vivid detail, while the included accessories make mounting easy. Great for beginners or casual adventurers, it's an excellent entry point into the world of action videography. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable camera that delivers strong results, the Brave 8 Lite is a top choice. Number 8. Insta360 GO 3S. Tiny yet powerful, the Insta360 GO 3S is the ultimate portable camera for quick action moments. It shoots up to 4K video with flow state stabilization and can be magnetically mounted anywhere, your cap, board, or pet collar. The Action Pod adds a flip screen and extra battery life, transforming it into a mini vlogging setup. Waterproof and lightweight, it's ideal for creators on the move. The Insta360 app makes editing effortless with smart auto clips and effects. If you want creative freedom in your pocket, the GO 3S is your go-to companion for spontaneous adventures. Number 9. GoPro HERO 2024. The GoPro HERO 2024 delivers flagship performance at a friendlier price. Featuring 5.3K video, hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization, and superior audio, it's ideal for everyday creators and weekend warriors. Its improved battery life and durable waterproof design make it ready for any adventure. The touch interface and easy sharing tools make capturing and uploading videos seamless. Whether you're vlogging, traveling, or documenting extreme sports, this camera delivers professional results without breaking the bank. GoPro continues to set the bar for user-friendly action cameras built for real life. Number 10. AKASO V50 Elite. The AKASO V50 Elite is an underrated gem that's perfect for budget-conscious creators. It offers 4K 60 FPS recording, built-in electronic image stabilization, and a responsive touchscreen. With its waterproof case included, it's ready for swimming, biking, or hiking. The wide-angle lens captures vivid, immersive footage, while voice control and adjustable view angles make shooting more flexible. The included accessories, like the waterproof case and mounts, add excellent value. It's compact, durable, and delivers great performance for its price. If you're looking for an affordable alternative to GoPro, the V50 Elite deserves a spot on your list of the best action cameras.